How to fill text inside letter shape to create a standing typography effect. Select the type tool and type any letter you like. I am using the impact font for a bold look. Next, right click on the text layer and select convert to shape. Now set the fill color 0% so we only see the outline. After that, copy your main text. Then select font Myriad Pro. Use font size 5. Now paste your text inside the shape area and choose Justify All from the paragraph panel and watch your text fill the letter beautifully. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick design tips.